What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Oki Kitchen. Today we are going to be making spring roll, also known as egg roll. Watch. Ingredient I'm going to be putting in my spring roll. So right here, so the ingredient is already ready. Let me show you. So inside this, so I got the bell pepper, I got chicken breast. I've already boiled, I've already cut that into smaller pieces. I got cabbage, as well as some parsley. So I got parsley in there. Then I get some bell pepper and those jalapeno pepper. I do have jalapeno pepper for it to be spicy. All right, so right here, so I've got my egg. So this is the egg I'm going to be using, as well as the spring roll wrap. This one I'm going to be using right here for my spring roll. All right, before I start doing the prep, so I've already got the oil right here in my stove. Right here. So I've already got it oil right here, so I'm just going to turn it on while I'm prepping this. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do with this right here, so I'm going to put about two egg. So I'm going to put 2 egg in here. Right there. Then I'm going to put about 3 egg in this plate right here. The purpose of this egg inside this plate is whenever I'm doing the wrap for the spring roll, so I can use this is just like a glue for the spring roll. Let's do one more. Let's do it right there. Alright, so now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to mix this together. Just like that. I'm going to mix this. Alright. So this is nice and good right there. So this is good right here. So now I'm going to mix all these ingredients together. So for the chicken breast, so you just want to cook it just like normal, like the way you cook your chicken breast. Just put whatever ingredients you want inside. Then after the chicken breast has been cooked, then you're just going to cut that into smaller pieces. I'm just going to mix this well. Mix this well. So again, so let me add 2 more eggs to this. That's good right there. 2 eggs again. Ooh, I'm making some mess right now. Making some mess. Alright, so just want to make sure everything nice and together. That's what you want. As you guys can see right here. You can see everything. That's it right there. Alright. Now it's time to start rolling this. So I've already got this one right here. So for this is how it looks. So what I'm going to do, so this is how it look. This is how it look right here. So I'm just going to be taking it one by one. Alright, so I got one right here. Just going to lay it down, just like that. Just like that. So I want to turn it to the edge, right here. So then what I'm going to be doing, I'm just going to take just a little bit of this. You don't want it to be too much. Just a little bit right there. So as you guys can see right here, I'm just going to put it right here on the corner right here. All right. So then what I'm going to do, I'm just going to get this egg right here, the egg the egg yolk. I'm just gonna put it on the side. Just as I tell you guys, this is like a glue. Then I'm gonna put it on the other side as well too. Just like that. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just gonna bring this edge and just cover it up on this side, right there. Then I'm gonna bring the other side, use it to cover it up on this side. Then I'm gonna bring the other side and just cover it up. Now I'm just going to roll. Nice and slow right there. Now, this is how the egg roll. This is how it look like. Alright, so then what I'm just going to do, I'm just going to put it on in a plate, because I got to wait until this oil is fully warm. So let's see if this is warm already. Oh, that's good right there. That's what you want. But before we do that, let's fold one more. Before we do that. We're gonna fold one more. I just fold one more. Alright. So the same way, get this edge. You can see I'm putting too much egg on this now. So now what I'm just going to do, get this in it, then cover it up. First step, second step, third step, and just roll. Then you can just fold as you go. Then it's just like that. Alright, so since we already got about 5 right here. So now it's time for us to start the cooking process. Alright, let me just focus this a little bit on the, let's get it right there. Alright, so I got this stuff right here. This is not warming up, but it's good. That's good right there. You're going to know whenever this stuff is done, it's just going to be golden brown. Now it's time for you to see the final product. Let's get it. You guys ready? Oh, you ready? Right here, this is the final product. Right here. All right, guys. So now it's time to do the taste test. So what goes along with this spring roll best? I usually use the sweet Turkey Benjin sauce, the panda. So I usually use this. All right, so right there. So and this, that's it right here. Let's see. You guys are going to hear the crunchy. That's what you want, the crunchy. Once you can see the inside. That's good. That's good, right? As you guys can know, as I've already told you that. So the process for this is easy. It's easy. You just get bell pepper, jalapeno pepper, chicken, cut it into smaller pieces. Cook your chicken the way you want. It's you can cook it the way you want. Put the ingredient you want for your chicken breast. Then after the chicken breast has been cooked, then just cut it into smaller pieces. Then after you cut it into smaller pieces, then just put it inside, like put everything together inside a big bowl. Put about 2-3 eggs inside and just mix it together. The purpose of the egg is just to serve as a glue, so the ingredient doesn't fall apart whenever you try to wrap it. Then with the beginning of the video, it's going to show you how to wrap this. Alright guys, so that's it right here. That will do it for today's video. Alright, make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you subscribe to Oki Kitchen. More to come. More to come. More to come. Alright guys, have a good one. Let me continue with it.